So for the first villa, it actually has 2 rooms. This is the first one. Ayan. 2 floors. And then the other one is also 2 floors. What I like about it is tara panig tayo. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda. Yun, guys, so check out this room. Actually, this is the largest room I've ever seen dito po sa compound na to. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 beds. Siguro it can accommodate up until 20, more than 20. So notice guys, this is a separate villa. Ito. And 2 floors din siya. Tingnan natin dito sa first level. Ayan, look at that. So it has like 1, 2, 3 beds. This one is a double deck bed. Dito, probably up until 10. Ayan. So dito sa second level, we have a balcony. Overview of the rest of the property. Oh! Ayun guys, so this room has 2 double deck bedrooms up until 8 to 10 siguro. Comfortable pa na pwedeng magstay dito. This time, let's talk about the prices. Kung magkano yung mga villa dito sa Casa Gundelina 2. For the first villa na pinuntahan natin, that is only 15,000 pesos, good for 15 persons. Yung second room na pinuntahan naman natin guys, which is just yung katabi nung 15,000, is 25,000, good for 20 to 30 persons. Now, if you want additional rooms, ayan, 5,000 pesos po per room. Yun yung mga good for, couple or family that want to be separated or gusto ng privacy. Ayun guys, kasama natin yung isang vlogger dito sa Porac. And mag-invite siya sa inyo and then shout na rin natin yung page niya.
Hi everyone! So, inimbita ko kayo dito sa Casa Gundelina. Ayan, highly recommended. Talaga namang napakaganda. At wag nyo kakalimutan, i-follow and like ang aking Facebook page, Mami Neri!
Papasalamat ako sa inyo for being with me in this video. Congratulations din Casa Gundelina 2. Ayan, this is the place. Ayan. Thank you for inviting us. So if you want to know more about this, check out the fan page we're gonna be including dito sa post na to. And we hope to see you here. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys!